Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and letting it use your device location. This improves accuracy. On mobile, grant location permission. On desktop, allow browser location. Next, search for an address or long press to drop a pin. That pin reveals latitude and longitude. Once done, tap or click the pin to expose coordinate values and place details. Make sure to switch to satellite for clearer landmarks if the address is ambiguous. Now, you have the initial coordinates to work with. You want precision, so copy coordinates shown in decimal degrees directly from the pin info or the share dialog. These are ready for pasting into other tools. On desktop, right-click any spot and choose What's Here to get coordinates at that cursor point. If you need exact placement, use the measure tool or the compass orientation to align to roads or property lines and make micro adjustments. Once you confirm coordinates, paste them into Notes or a navigation app to verify the location matches visual landmarks. To finish, share the location link or coordinates and test them on another device to confirm accuracy. If the pin lands incorrectly, toggle your device GPS, switch Wi-Fi networks, or recalibrate the compass. These steps often fix drift. Make sure the Maps app is updated and clear the app cache if errors persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, check location permissions and background location access. Without them, Google Maps can't get a reliable fix and coordinates will remain inaccurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.